Hi friends! Area 506 Container Village is an event space located in St. John, New Brunswick. It's located on the city's waterfront and features repurposed shipping containers that house various businesses, vendors, and activities. I walked through quite early on a weekday morning and things were just starting to open up, so it was a quiet stroll through the village. This was initially created in 2016 as a temporary project, but has since become a popular attraction in the area. It aims to feature local talent by providing a platform for artists, food vendors, and other small businesses. It's a fun atmosphere with a mix of retail shops, eateries, art galleries, and performance spaces. Thanks for watching!